Hello guys, this is Umesh Mali. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to create an Excel sheet in a faster way. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will give me a lot of motivation to create such a useful videos for you. So guys, we always know this conventional way to create an Excel sheet. So here we right click, then we select the move or copy, then we click on move to end, then we create a copy. So this is what we generally do, but this method is a time taking and will take a lot of time. So I would like to show you some simple way to do this task is just select the sheets, press shift, select a multiple sheet. Here you can select a multiple sheet also and single sheet also. Then hold all the sheets by left click, then press Ctrl. When you appear the plus sign here, release the sheets. So here you can see the multiple sheets have been created. So guys, hope you like our videos. So keep supporting. Thank you.